Hey, what's up guys, this is BD from 𝐂𝐤𝐤𝐞 back with another video, and today I will show you guys how to set any song that you want as a ringtone on your iPhone. It's super easy and you don't need any computer for that. Just by downloading free app from App Store, you can have your favorite songs as your iPhone ringtone. But before we go further, to stay up to date with iPhone latest features and updates, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss any update from us in the future, and it will also help our channel to grow. So the simple and the easiest to set any song as a ringtone on your iPhone is using an app called Ringtone Maker. So just download this app and it's free. Once you have the app, just open it. You can extract audio from videos and set it as a ringtone. It has other features also. You can check that later. So let's select the video whose audio you want as a ringtone of your iPhone. Once you have the video, just select and then tap on extract. Now you have the audio, so just tap on it and here tap on ringtone. Oh, one more thing, you can also edit from here if you want to. Now let's go back and here tap on ringtone. Now you will get this pop-up from here. Tap on GarageBand. I forgot to tell you this before, that is you also need GarageBand. So just download it, and you don't need to use it actually. It's for exporting purpose only. So now just select GarageBand from here and it will take you directly in GarageBand. So you will get this audio file which we have just created. And if you don't get this page and in GarageBand, and if GarageBand open up like this, just tap on my songs over here at the top left corner. It will take you over here. So now just 3D touch on the audio file and here tap on share, and from here tap on ringtone, then tap on continue. And if you want to rename the file, you can do that, or else tap on export, then tap on OK and you are done. Now just close this and go to the settings app. Here tap on sounds and haptics and here tap on ringtone. You can see here the audio file that we have just saved. So just select the audio and set it as an iPhone ringtone. How easy is that? And not only your ringtone, but you can also set the ringtone for text tone, mail, etc. So that's how you can set any audio as your iPhone ringtone in 2022 without any computer or jailbreak. Just by using these two apps. It's very useful for a lot of people. So let me know in the comments if you guys face any issues. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys liked the video. Also, subscribe to the channel for more such videos. Now, I will see you on the next one. Peace.